Hello you all, here you are seeing after web mail panel we have a welcome home page of your staff panel. We have a welcome home page of your staff panel. Now we have a first form of that is add student info form. We have here school registration form. In school registration form we have different types of entries like school name, registration number, and there are so entries here. So suppose like we added a school name and add a registration number like that, and a date of registration. In date of registration we have a calendar tab here, and approved by or class of the student he want to attend, or here we have girls and boys of both section, that is co-ed, and address of the student that is to be filled here on, and we have selected state, which is state the student belongs to, and what we see here, the automatically the cities of that state has been arrived here in the next form of this picture. Now we have to add the pin code of that student locality and the rank of the school. Suppose we add 1 and the contact number, and we submit it to the database. Like we add the contact number, suppose like that this, and here we see that if we not need to fill any entries, the database will not be added. So we write the suppose admin at the gmail.com, and in website we add for demo purpose aups.in. So when we go to submit option, here your school registration has been successfully added, there is a notification. So in the next one, when we check the school details, so here we have an entry of SSS and so number, and we have two options, view and edit. In view option we can check the different types of entries of that student has been updated, and if we want to edit these entries we can also edit it from here. We have given an update option, so when we type update, the entry of that student has been updated. In the next one we have school master, session master, sorry. In session master we have different types of sessions, like we are adding 2015 to 2016 session. So here we add it, and thus your session has been successfully registered. So for the whole session we have active and inactive sections. So for active section, when we take it active, so, rest of the sections will be deleted. Now we want to add any class. If you want to add any class, suppose in class section, if you in future you need to use any class like class 1, there is already class 1 here. So for demo purpose we are adding class 12th. So when we add class 12, so here is registration successfully. That is, in future if you want to add any more classes to your school, so we can add it or delete it from here. Now in edit or delete option we can edit and delete it from this section. Now we have section master. Suppose we want to add any section, or we want to check how many sections are there for the same class. Suppose in 7th class we have A and B section, and if we want to add any other section, C, so here is the registration of extra section. C has been edited here, you are seeing that. Now in the student registration form, we are again in the student registration form, there is session here and different types of his entries, like there we can edit from this section of the form. The form is so long, so your data entry operator is quite long. Here is a photo option, we can for demo purpose choosing a photo option, so save it from here. Now in the type of a student list, we can check out the student list of the student here, how many students has been registered to this school at that current year on that current session. So this is your student list panel. Now in the staff panel we are going to the staff panel. In staff panel, suppose here is the designation of principal, teacher and accountant. We want to add any other option, we can add it from here option. And when we go to save option, here you are seeing that a new user to your staff has been added. And if you want to add it or delete that option, you can add it and delete from this panel also. So now we have a staff search option. If we want to search any staff member from his or her state, we can search it from here. Suppose we choose Rajasthan and city as Jaipur and submit to this. So we have an entry of Mahesh Kumar Sharma 123 having father's name so we can view his details, the complete details at the time of recruitment he is provided to us So when we go to back, now we have a registration form of your staff, that is recruitment form of your staff. So here is, these are the big entries here, some 50 entries here in this form. Your staff members have to do a much hard work for filling this form. So different types of entries like name, father's name, contact information, address, permanent address, country, etc, etc. And then we have a other option, that is the date wise entry of your staff panel. So we can also check, and name wise entry of staff panel, we can also check it from here. Now we have a student list again, so we can check it from student list here. And then we have a and then we can go to AUPS, and we have a logout section here. We can just log it out from here. So this is your student or staff panel. Thank you very much for listening this section. Thank you.